Lumina Gold is part of the Lumina Group. The Lumina Group was founded by Ross Beatty in 2003. The business plan of the Lumina Group all the way through all of our history has been pretty straightforward. Find high quality assets, drill them, add value, de-risk them through engineering. And these are generally large projects that require a lot of capital investment to build and move them on to somebody that would build the project. So when we look at Lumina Gold in Ecuador, our only asset in the company is the Cangrejos project. The Cangrejos project is a 17 million ounce gold deposit in Ecuador. We started drilling there in 2014. We put our first resource out in 2017. That was 4 million ounces. And fast forward to November of last year, we put out a 17 million ounce gold resource with 2 billion pounds of copper. We've advanced the exploration and the engineering to do a PEA in 2018. We updated the PEA in 2020 with the addition of a satellite deposit, the Gran Bestia deposit, adjacent to the already large Cangrejos deposit. And the long and the short of the story is that we've gotten to the point now where we just put out a PEA in 2020. The PEA showed at $1,400 gold and $275 copper, a 1.6 billion NPV at 1,400 with a 5% discount rate. If you look at it 20% up from that at 1,680, you're sort of a $2.5 billion NPV. And if you look at today's gold price environment in the mid 1800s, it's sort of a $3 billion roughly NPV. Meanwhile, the value proposition for the company is the stock of the company today is trading at 90 cents Canadian. It gives us a market cap of about 250 million US. We're trading at about $9 an ounce of gold in the ground. So really, there's huge upside to this story. We're well advanced into our strategic plan where we've already identified the scale of the project. We de-risked it, engineering, and we're at the point where we're ready to move it on to somebody that would develop the project. So basically what we're sitting on here in this gold price and copper price environment is significant upside. And part of that is due to geopolitical risk in Ecuador, or perceived investment risk is probably a better way to term it. What we see is the Ecuadorian developers versus the Western peers are trading at about a 40% discount to the Western peers. In this last move up in the gold market, the gold producers, I'm on the Equinox Gold Board of Directors, so mid-tier producers like Equinox and majors like Newmont and Barrick, those were the first movers. And as the gold price moved up, we started to see some movement down into the developer space. But the real value proposition here is upside to a potential sale of the company in 2021 and trading at a multiple that's very low at the $9 an ounce gold in the ground. And so we believe that there's a really good upside investment thesis here. There's a big value disconnect. We've increased since 2017 the resource 4 times. Gold has gone up about 50% in that period, and our stock has only gone up about 38%. So we think there's significant upside. So we're continuing to advance the project. We're doing the permitting, the social work, and we just recently took a $5 million line of credit from our major shareholder, Ross Beatty, who holds about 20% of the company. And that should get us through the first part of next year, and hopefully we'll see an exit as we execute on the strategy of the company. So from an investment perspective, we feel there's quite a bit of upside from here. Thanks for your time and thanks for your interest today.